it's Jeanette, and today I have my mom with me.
Hi, I'm Mom.
Okay.
Angie.
So today we are going to do the highly requested mom versus daughter tag, or mom and daughter tag. So basically it's just a couple of questions that we are going to answer. Are you okay? Yeah? Okay, so it's just a couple of questions that we are going to answer, and you guys will find a lot more about ourselves. So let's get started.
Me first? I'm old. I need my bifocals.
Well, just the questions. You mind.
What is your mother's favorite color?
Blue or gray? Yes. What is my favorite color?
Purple or blush pink?
Yes. High five. Okay.
This one's so easy because we share the same ones. What's our shoe size?
3.5 to 4 in little girls. You don't have to ask that one because it's the same thing.
It doesn't have it on here. Thank you, miss.
Favorite meal that mom... Oh, I have to ask you that one.
Oh.
Duh. Favorite meal that mom cooks is...
Pollo calabaza or chicken enchiladas?
So if you guys don't know what pollo calabaza is, it's kind of like... It's supposed to be a soup, but my mom makes it as a...
Fondue.
Fondue, so I'll link like a recipe down below. So
we actually have a recipe of her making it with her friend Joelle a few years back.
Yeah, so I'll link that video down below so that way you guys, if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and try it out.
And in case y'all don't know, pollo is chicken, calabaza is squash. What's my favorite flower?
Oh, that one's a hard one. I know you like roses because your grandmother was Lila Rose.
Mm-hmm.
Sunflowers?
No!
What is it?
Lilacs.
Lilacs. Oh, well.
And baby's breath, but that's...
The baby's
kind
breath
of
are
not
those white ones, right?
Yeah. So it's not really flowery, but...
It's like a weed, isn't it?
No! It's not a weed.
What's my favorite book?
God, I don't know.
There's two.
I was saying something by Nicholas Sparks.
No. Do you want to know what it is?
This should have been my question because you know my favorite books.
I can still ask you. Do you know what my favorite books are?
I know it's something that you used in high school. But
Okay, so the first one is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. And the second one is also by John Green, and it's called Paper Towns. And both of them are movies, so check them out.
Caca, I forgot those.
What is your favorite book, Mom?
Well,
Can't tell?
I have 3 favorite authors.
If you can't tell.
4 favorite authors. Definitely Twilight.
Just Twilight or the series Twilight?
The whole series.
Okay.
Well, anything written by Stephanie Meyer, actually.
Okay.
So, 50 Shades of Grey by E.L. James, which is coming out tonight, which is where we're going.
And we kind of match.
We kind of match.
Okay.
I'm all gray today. Even my nails are gray. My eyeshadow is gray. Yeah, I'm gray. I also like Sylvia Day and Tara Sumi. Awesome.
She can go on forever, so maybe we'll do like a
Yes,
book
I read
list.
a lot. I also like a lot of English literature, so.
All right,
to let you
next
know.
question. How old are you, Mom?
Oh wait, I'm supposed to ask you. How old am I, Jeanette?
You're 21 and holding.
Yes! That's all y'all need to
A
know.
woman never discloses her age.
Oh
I'm
my
just saying.
God, you know your mama.
What is my favorite song?
Well, I may not know the exact songs, but I know you're huge into Carrie Underwood, huge into Taylor Swift,
Okay.
and
you like this person too. And you know this. All-time favorite right now is Ed Sheeran.
oh,
Duh, like...
perfect.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. What's mine?
Anything from 50 Shades Darker.
Okay.
Or 50 Shades Free.
Or 50 Shades of Grey. Anything 50 Shades.
You've been liking, Kane Brown.
Yes.
What
okay.
If, or Heaven, or anything Kane Brown.
And then?
And then you've also liked...
My all-time favorite.
Ellie Goulding? No.
Well, I do like Ellie Goulding, but she's on 50 Shades of
I'm
Grey.
not too sure.
we've only gone to their concert,
Oh,
which
Rascal
is
Flatts.
also a video she has.
I can also link that one down below. Rascal Flatts.
How could she have forgot that? Like, those are my guys.
That's your band.
Gary LeBox is her daddy. I've always told my kids that's their daddy.
Not cool, Mom.
Oh, okay. So is it your turn? Yes, it's your turn.
What was my favorite school subject?
Besides band. She loved band. I would think it was...
What am I majoring in now?
Don't give me hints, Kaka. Biology.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. My mom says caca a lot.
Oh.
It's okay.
What city and state was I born in?
You were born in Dallas, Texas.
Wrong.
El Paso, Texas.
Wrong. I was raised in El Paso. I was born right...
I don't know.
Why'd you tell me?
I don't know because I wanted to guess.
I was born right outside of Fort Worth, Texas.
Isn't Fort Worth and Dallas still the same thing?
No.
I thought it was Dallas-Fort Worth.
It is, but it's still its own little city.
But I'm not wrong.
And I'm not inside Dallas.
So kind of the same thing.
We'll give you half.
Anyways, half a point.
Okay.
What was my favorite vacation ever?
Well, she did go on her first solo trip, and she went to Virginia?
Mm-hmm, Virginia.
Okay.
Norfolk.
So she loved that because it was her first solo trip. But she met her soon-to-be husband right after that. And so every trip she's ever taken with him is her favorite trip, which they normally go to Florida.
Correct.
So that one
I
was
think
easy.
also my favorite trip was when Josh and I went to Corpus for his birthday. And that was just fun because we were just walking around and
But
it was
Corpus
different.
is only 2 hours away.
But it was different. I mean, it was still a road trip that we took by ourselves.
That's true. So anything to do with Josh.
Right.
Okay, so. You
how,
gotta ask it.
How tall do I want to be whenever I grow up?
Definitely taller than she is now. She's only 4'8".
So, but you should know this one. How tall do I want to be at least?
5'2".
Just 5 foot.
Oh.
Like, as long as I get to 5 feet, that's fine.
Well,
but I'm done growing, so.
I was close. Close enough. My favorite dessert is...
Well, Olive Garden's little chocolates. So.
No, that's not my favorite.
Well, you like them a lot.
What's my favorite dessert?
Ice cream.
Yes! I actually own...
hold on. Pistachio almond ice cream.
Or...
It's that green one. Still.
No. Anything coffee.
Oh
my God. Jamocha almond fudge. There is nothing better than coffee. I actually own my own ice cream truck, so that kind of tells you what my favorite dessert is. Duh. You have to like your business. Okay.
It's my turn. Oh. What's my favorite Starbucks drink?
It would be a caramel frappuccino.
Mm-hmm.
Or a... Should I do a warm one now? Oh, you love passion fruit.
Passion tea lemonade.
Passion tea lemonade.
Yes.
Okay. How tall am I?
5'3".
Alex is 5'3" and he's taller than me.
5'1".
Close.
You're shorter than that? 5'2".
No.
5 feet.
I'm exactly what you want to be. 5 foot.
What? I thought you were taller. Are you shrinking, Mom? It's okay. It's okay.
She will be murdered after this. So. Okay.
What was my favorite gift ever?
Your favorite gift ever was your engagement or your promise ring from your future husband. And your first concert, which was Carrie Underwood.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. How old was I whenever I had my ears pierced? We've never talked about this. But just take a wild guess.
13.
I don't know. You tell me. I don't remember.
So, did you get them professionally done, or did you... How old was I whenever I got my ears pierced?
7 days.
7 days old? That's torture, man. Just kidding.
Hey, you didn't remember it.
I remember.
I was a few years old. I think I was like between maybe 4 and 7, maybe.
4 and 7?
Yeah. Okay.
What was my favorite birthday ever?
Every birthday you spent with your mother.
Oh.
You notice that look she gave, like, yeah, right. No, I really don't know because we try to do something special each time.
This is just like my mom's answering questions about me, and so she can basically give you guys a spill of what I was like whenever I was younger. What was I like as a child?
Theatrical. This one would go outside in the front yard, and I swear to you, at like 3 years old, she sat and sang Angelica's, America. At the top of her lung. My mother lived probably, there was a few houses, and then a 10-acre lot, and then my mother's house. She could hear her all the way down to her house, which was like half of the road down. So, yeah, theatrical and always singing. Always singing.
What do you think of me making YouTube videos?
I like it. Like, I'm her biggest critique, but I'm also her biggest fan, so I always critique her, and she's all, that's not how I wanted it, and I know I'll fix it. But I say it because I love her, and because that's what a mother does. Wants the best.
What's something funny I did when I was younger?
She has a nickname.
Go ahead.
Her nickname is Mokosa, which means booger. So whenever she went to Head Start, they were teaching her how to write her name and stuff. She told her teachers that she knew how to write her name. And they were like, you too, you're so little. Okay, let's try it. And so she wrote out Mokosa. And she argued for at least a good 30, 40 minutes because the teacher was like, no, Mija, you can't write that. That's not your name. That's what my mama calls me. Don't you tell me it's not my name. And then 30, 40 minutes, this child disputed it with the teacher, and she insisted on writing Mokosa and everything. So, yeah.
All right. Have you learned anything about makeup beauty from me?
Oh, I have. And if I forget something, or like yesterday I was going on a nice hot date, my makeup wasn't coming out right, so I take it all off, start it all over, but I always have her YouTube video up just to see, okay, well, shoot, this isn't working, so let's try this, yeah.
Well, you're my biggest fan.
She teaches me everything.
Okay.
Today, I went simplistic. I just went gray, so that goes with the thing. So, yeah.
What is a weird habit of mine?
A weird habit. You always put your hair up in a bun. That annoys me. She has the longest, most beautiful blonde hair.
It's poofy right now.
Yeah, it's poofy right now, but oh my God, if this child would just put her hair down. I mean, I'm not one to talk. I always have my hair up too, but my hair's short. And then she has beautiful goldy locks, and she will not leave her hair down to save her soul. So